Everyone, welcome to quick Microsoft Word tutorials. In this video we are going to see that how can we change the color of the text or the font color in Microsoft Word. So whenever we are preparing a Word document, the user readability is an important factor, and that is why, just to show the diversity in the text, often we use the different colors in the text. Let's see how can we do that. So suppose you just want to change the color of a particular paragraph or just a few lines of text, then I recommend you just drag over that line or select that whole part whose color you want to change. Then there are two ways through which you can change the color. Once you have highlighted the text, you will be getting this kind of a menu, and here is the option of the font color with a letter and an underline in a particular color. So if you want to change that particular color, like if I want to change the text color to red, so I can simply click on this A and the color of the text would be changed to red. Otherwise, if you want other color options, then you can click on this drop down, and in this drop down there are these bunch of colors that are present, and as you can see, if you hover over any of these colors, the text color would be changed. The text that you have selected, its color would change, and you would be able to see the sample in front of your eyes, that how it would look on the text. Furthermore, if you are not happy with these colors, you can go into this more color options, and there are these different kinds of a color that are given to you. You can just select any of these colors. Now in this case the text won't change, but you would be able to see the color over here on the top, on the bottom right corner, where there would be a new and the current colors. So you can just select the color that you like, any color that you want. If you want to create a custom color for yourself using the RGB values, that also you can do like this, like from here the red, green and the blue values that you can provide, or if you want the hue, saturation and the luminosity values, that also you can provide, or you can simply just drag over for a completely new color and then click on OK, so that particular color would be provided. This is one way of changing the color of the text. The other way is that you can just select this whole document or the whole text whose color you want to change. Then instead of waiting for that menu bar to appear, what you can do is go to the home tab. In the home tab we have the font group. In the font group we have the same font color option which you can use to change the color. It is similar in functionality as the one that we previously used, but the difference is that you have all these colors available as well. Suppose you don't want a solid color, you suppose say want a gradient, then how do you do that? You can just simply click on this gradient option, and here is this option of more gradients. Like you can apply any kind of a gradient, or you can even go to more gradient options where you can just set the gradient as per your choice. Like you can just set a color, let me just set an orange color. I can increase or decrease its transparency like this, and that's for a solid fill. If you want for a gradient fill, this is the kind of the options that you can do for a gradient fill like this. Okay, let me just select a sample for you. You can just set the angle and the color stops as well. If you want to change the color, you can simply just change it by changing or by selecting different color stops. Okay, now you can see this is how it's looking in a gradient kind of a color. So that's how we work with the font colors in Microsoft Word, and that's all for this video. Thanks for watching.